Got Carolina here showing the HuddlePod. That's the receiver up the top, and the bottom unit's like a speakerphone. Ideal for use with Zoom. We've had a lot of Brisbane clients install this along with the Microsoft wireless keyboard and mouse to run their conference rooms, and Carolina will just put that down and hold up the NUC PC that's running the display behind us. So she'll just hold up that little NUC PC. We often have customers that get this, hold it up a little bit further, often have customers get this micro PC installed. It's got an i5 CPU, 500 gig SSD and 8 gig of RAM, perfect for running Zoom and interactive touchscreens, and that can be wall mounted. If you just hold that up flat, you'll see that it can be wall mounted beside or behind your display. The other thing that's obviously ideal for is a direct USB link to your PTZ camera. In this room we have the Logitech PTZ camera installed up here on the wall, and that can point anywhere in this meeting space, zoom in on customer on the meeting, and it's an ideal solution for a relatively low cost video conferencing system. Please contact AV King for more information. Thank you. Millin here from AV King, Carolina, just showing how to set up a new PC for Zoom rooms. Firstly, we would generally install Google Chrome because the Internet Explorer is not ideal for most things these days. So it'll be a bit of a long video, just going to go through and install a few applications onto this computer and show you some settings that are ideal for use with touchscreens. Carolina will just circle the taskbar down the bottom at the moment, where we've got the installation running. Just behind her hand there, she'll just circle the install icon. Just down below on the taskbar, down here, yep. That's the little install there. So we're using the overlay at the moment with this touchscreen just because we haven't actually installed any touch software on this computer as yet. So we've got Google Chrome installed now, and what we'll do is we'll come down here and we'll right click on that and we'll pin that to the taskbar, and now that's pinned we can remove the right click and unpin the Internet Explorer and close that. On our website, AVP-Education. On our website, AVP-Education, you'll see under the training tab this page here, which is a good page with some tips, and this line of code here is what we need to actually get your quick launches running. So we'll just select that, right click and copy, come down here, right click, toolbars, and add new toolbar, and then we just do Control V to paste that in there, and hit OK, and that has added our little quick launches down the bottom here. Let's right click and unlock the taskbar so we can move those across and flip. I'll just do this first, show text, get rid of, and show title we'll get rid of. This just gives us a little shortcut to the desktop like you used to have with Windows. Current sleep. If you are using this for a Zoom room, generally speaking, I'll just set that to never go to sleep and just turn off your display once you're not wanting to use the computer. Carolyn will just hold up this little NUC PC that we're using at the moment, just down on the shelf there, the one on the left. Just hold that up a little bit in frame so you can see. You can see there it's a very small computer and it doesn't use much power, so it's the sort of thing that's designed to be able to be left on 24/7 running in Zoom rooms. So those are the main settings that you need to get everything running the way you generally want on a touchscreen. As I said, we've got the Chrome installed there as a web browser, and we've changed the taskbar around. I'll just move the taskbar over here so you can see. Change the taskbar around so you've got that desktop button, and you can pin your programs and you can see whether they're running or not just by obviously having the large title. I'd usually remove some of these other programs from the pinned category. So let's unpin that one and unpin that one. The last thing to change as well, under personalize, under themes, desktop icons. Most people like to have computer and network and control panel all visible, and hit OK there. That way, again, from a touchscreen, everything's a lot easier to navigate because you can just get straight to all of your all the things you'd want rather than having to use a keyboard and a mouse to type things in. One last thing I'll use the keyboard for, under the Windows, if you type in PLWIZ, enter. Whoops, that's wrong. Try that again. Windows key, METPLWIZ, hit enter. And this is the section where you can actually remove the password on the sign-in, which again, most people would want if this is being used in a meeting space. So just apply that, put in your standard password. Password to get back into Windows. Last thing, of course, is just to install Zoom. So I believe it has the meeting client download, and this is the download link here. Oops, how do I download it? So that's the installer running there now. And again, once that's installed, if you just right click down here and choose pin, then when you close that and everything's closed, you can see you can easily get to Zoom down here, and you Internet Explorer via Chrome, and everything is pretty much ready for anyone to walk into this room and start using the meeting space. We've been AV King. You're looking at a GView 65-inch interactive touchscreen, but Zoom will work with any projected or interactive display, with or without touch. Please contact us for more information. AV King Brisbane. Thank you.